Welcome to my instructional video on how to install memory into a laptop computer. It's actually really simple. Just unscrew the back here on the memory shaped back, a little pop-out panel. And they usually come right off, revealing the memory chip. There's two metal clips, one on either side of that memory chip. You pull them out and the memory chip pops up, and it can be removed quite simply. Then you grab your new piece and throw it on in. Now it's important to make sure that you get it in there so the gold is covered up. See that? Get it slid into the slot there. There you go. And then you press it down. And that's really all it takes. Just replace the back cover back onto your laptop. I'm using a little Acer netbook for this test. And put it back together. And you can fire it right up. Nothing else is needed.